So what else you want to take it out? What do you mean?
Measurement, metric.
No. I don't know like exactly, but we used to get. I don't know what terms they call it, but the 8 spanner, 8K spanner, 10 spanner.
British metric.
Yeah.
British Imperial.
Just for a second.
Yeah, lady.
Yeah.
She was called a. She said she was Portuguese Indian, and her
The meter ones.
the meter ones. Meter. I'll just disconnect the whole lot. Fuck it.
Cut off the ignition.
Okay, let's just whack all that out of there. Oh, piss off. And yeah, it's not going great because the time's against us and it's getting dark. So I'm going to love you and leave you and crack on. All right, my friend? Take care. Bye-bye. Sorry about that.
No.
You're gonna love it.
You get mixed races, mixed blood, like my cousin.
Yeah.
My cousin looked Indian.
Yeah.
Oh, easy.
And his sister looked completely English. And I could never work that one out. They just come out funny and like,
And I've removed the clutch cables. The only thing is pending with that one.
the clutch cable is, oh, you've done that. That was really stretched, wasn't it?
No, it was gone. Just take.
Now
just
we've got to
put it
flick the caps off.
up. You don't have to.
Boy,
Yeah, you know.
hold on, push.
What's holding on that? The cables
Right.
and the wires, sockets.
I'm going to push this one through, okay?